How you doing, bro? You know you ain't supposed to be doing that, right? It's crazy. Hey, you can't be doing that, man. You guys can't be scanning them.
No.
Why are you guys scanning them like that?
Scanning. PM.
No, he's not scanning them. He's taking pictures.
No.
No, you can't take pictures of them.
No.
You can't take pictures. You gotta scan them. You gotta scan them. Don't take pictures of them. That's called cheating, man. You guys are cheating. Hell nah.
Yeah.
You gotta scan them. Don't take pictures. Scan. No, you como que no scan? Yeah.
Estás vendo o scooter em cima da caminhonete?
You gotta scan them.
No.
The scooter, you gotta scan it. You can't just take
Estás
it.
agrupando scooter para scan.
Yeah, not a picture. No picture. Yeah, no picture.
Correct. No correct.
I seen picture. I seen
correct.
picture
Task.
of scooters.
Scanning task.
No, I know how to scan. I know how to scan. No, he take picture. Yeah, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's what he do.
Yeah, he's trying to say he's not. Yeah, scan them, but don't take picture. Yeah, scan them. You can scan them. Don't take picture though.
Yeah.
Come on now. Yeah, cause it ain't fair.
Let him.
It ain't fair, bro. Come on, man. You know better.
Yeah, because he took the picture, he's going to put all the codes in there.
That's what he's doing.
Hey, that's a trick because they said it gets their idea.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Good.